written by Irish playwright John Millington Synge. Riders to the Sea is a one-act play written by Irish playwright John Millington Synge. It was first performed in 1904. The play is set in a small cottage on an isolated island off the west coast of Ireland and revolves around the life of an impoverished family, the Murrays. Here is a summary of the play. Plot summary. The play opens with Moria, an elderly woman, lamenting the loss of her husband and 5 sons to the sea. She is left with only 2 sons, Michael and Bartley, and a daughter, Kathleen. The constant threat of the sea, which has claimed the lives of her male family members, hangs over the household. Moria's son Michael has been missing for several days, and the family is anxiously awaiting news of his fate. The tension rises as Moria sends her son Bartley off to the mainland to sell a horse. Bartley's journey is perilous as the sea has claimed many lives, but he is determined to go to ensure the survival of the family. As the play unfolds, a stranger arrives with news about a drowned body found with a knit jersey that belongs to Moria's son Michael. Moria, who has already had premonitions of Michael's death, is devastated. Despite the tragic news, Bartley still sets out to the sea, and Moria's worst fears are realized when news of Bartley's death reaches the family. The play ends with Moria expressing her grief and resignation to the inevitable force of the sea. The cyclical nature of life and death, as well as the harsh reality of living in such a remote and stormy environment, are central themes in Riders to the Sea. The play is a poignant exploration of the harshness of life on the Irish Islands, the inevitability of death, and the people's deep connection to the unpredictable and often destructive sea. It is a powerful portrayal of the resilience and fatalism of the characters in the face of the relentless forces of nature.